This is part of the Liskeard Together project. You can join us from the comfort of your own home with our online cooking sessions. All ingredients you will need are provided and delivered to your door every week for 6 weeks. These sessions are currently available for people in the PL14 area, currently not in paid employment. For more information, please contact ECCABI on 015 793 43693. Hello everybody, this is Mandy from St Cleer. Hi. And she's in today with Harley. Mandy's involved in the Liskeard Unlocked project, and today they're going to be making some very tasty chocolate buns.
Which
These are the ingredients we're going to be using today.
First thing we do is turn the oven on.
The oven goes on
To
180 degrees. We need the oven on.
we done it to that.
The first thing that we do is put the bun cases into the bun tray, which occasionally go on the floor. We won't use that one, it's been on the floor, sweetheart.
Okay. First thing we put in is plain flour.
That's 3 ounces of plain flour gone in.
The next thing we put in is the cocoa.
And that's 1 tablespoon of cocoa.
Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Oop. Next, a half teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Being very careful.
Being very careful.
Next, 2.5 ounces of sugar. Next, we have the golden syrup.
We need 1 spoonful in there, alright?
Okay. That enough?
That's enough, darling.
Now I'm going to add the egg. We add 2.5 ounces of vegetable oil. Now we add 2.5 ounces of milk.
There we go.
Now we put the milk in the bowl.
Excellent.
Now we mix it all up. We are going to add some chocolate chips too. Now we do the mixing. Now we pour the mix into the cases.
Yep. There we go, they're all in the cases, so now they just need to go in the oven, which we put on before we started at 180 degrees. They usually take about 18 minutes in my cooker at home. There we go, Harley, don't step back.
Like it. The oven pin is now they're ready to come out.
Okay. Oh yeah, they're done. They're done.
We are also offering short online courses that can help you prepare for the changes in the pipeline with Universal Credit. involving saving money and living on a budget, leading on to writing your CV, and help with online job searching skills. These we hope will help you be ready for these changes.